Hello, dear all beautiful students. Today we will go through first assignment of biology first paper. You got already the notice and question also. I know that very first time when you see the question, it look like a difficult. Okay, it is looking the difficulties, but actually when we will go through the question paper with following the instruction, that time it will be very easy to us. And you know that the assignment is very important work, and biology assignment is also very important for your purposes, since you have to go through properly with getting the full correct answer. By the way, I have the question, but which way we can solve the question? Which way we will go through the solving the question? There is a pattern given on there accordingly. So very first time, if I draw a card like chart, what is given in the question, and I will try to make you understand the answer will be which way to give. Okay, so first of all, listen, follow me to draw. At first, this one is the common for everyone. Homologous chromosome of father come from paternal grandfather or grandpa. Just first of all, you can see the question paper also accordingly. Why I say the paternal grandpa? Because there in Bengali is mentioning the dada, nana, both the grandfather mentioning that the dada, nana, likely that. So if we distinct identify paternal, so paternal is the father side, maternal from the mother side. Okay, so okay, there is some features is mentioning in there. We will go through some boxes. First box I will draw here. It is given PP. Okay, this one is also known as the PP. Okay, paternal features PP1. This one is the 1, and more fat in blood. I write a little word, but I tell you we can write because I need to write many things here in a board. Okay, then go through the second one. Okay, this one is the second one, is given PP. These features directly further got from the paternal grandpa. Okay, second one, this is the curly here. Curly here is the second features. Second, you can make sure the card in which way we can solve the question. We go through, but very first time just follow me. Okay, then after third one, third features, it's also a PP. Third, it is brown eye. Okay, the fourth features is given here, PP4, and this is the agile. So homologous chromosome of father come from paternal grandpa. This is given. It is also given in the question, but which way and what is the interesting part of this assignment, I will go through next onward. Then okay, at first we go through the features. Similar way, you can write here the homologous chromosome of father come from paternal grandma. of father, it is also the father, okay, of come from paternal grandma. Second one, okay, so this one is given PM. Homologous chromosome of father come from paternal grandpa. Homologous of chromosome come from paternal grandma. This is also another look at here. We will make sure the box similarly. Okay, it is given PM1, and that is less fat in blood, okay. Then second box, PM2, second features is similarly given here, curly hair, okay. PM third, that will be, it is given bluish eye, okay. And fourth one is paternal, mute yourself, dear student who will join, just for mute yourself, just a minute, mute yourself. And some student also watch out me in the live also, okay, fine, just a minute. Okay, the next one, we will go through the question according to given here. PM4 is given from there, tranquil or calm, you can write, gentle, calm, tranquil, gentle, likely to have. So what we have written according to the question in our STEM, I will make you understand in details in round one. How can we make sure that one? It will be very easy to you. But first one, homologous chromosome of father come from paternal grandpa. These four, same thing. Homologous chromosome of father come from the paternal grandma. These four come from grandpa, and these come from grandma. Then these two is directly father, paternal grandpa and grandma. And then next onwards, same thing, homologous chromosome. This time it was of father, and homologous chromosome, look at here, of mother. This is now mother, come from maternal grandpa, okay, maternal grandpa. Which four are come here? Okay, first one is given MP1, it is less blood, fat in blood, okay. Then MP2, just draw at first, then I will make you understand. Here, straight straight here. I write in short since the space is not much here. Then third one is MP3. MP3, it is bluish eye. Bluish eye. My live video is running. Can anyone check, dear students? Is it running or not? So one phone call is in the messenger is coming on there, so that the problem. MP3 bluish eye. Eye, and MP4 is same. MP4, it is come. Okay. And same thing, homologous chromosome of mother come from maternal grandma. Maternal grandma. Sorry. Yes, you will get. At first do the class translated part. I will discuss here, and then today I will send it to you. And it is also the translated part. Okay, I will do for you also. Okay, go through that one, because very first time it is needed to be understanding. Yes. Now look at here. This one is the MM1. MM1, more fat in blood. It is the challenge. At first I need to go through this one, then I will make you understand easily, very easily. Okay, by orally it is given on there. Think about, catch about, toss the coin, likely that. If you think that way, okay, it's very tough to understand. But if I make sure this one in front of you, and then I will make you understand easily, it will be very easy to get able to you. Okay, next one. Then second one, what? Mute yourself. MM2. Then it is curly here. Curly here. Then third one, bluish eye. MM3 is the bluish eye. Bluish eye. And last one, azyle. MM4, azyle. This is the box 4. It is the main theme to understand. What is given in the question, in the assignment, the main thing is this one to understood. What is given actually, and what is the potentiality of learning this assignment in which way. Okay. Listen. Then there is a single, I just draw a round just for suppose if it is the answer number A, what is given in there, I will make you mind in then after. At first it is needed to clear understood about the question and what is asking for and what the instruction is given in here and which way we will go through understand that one. Very first time, homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome. Homologous, same chromosome from the parental features, homologous chromosome. Okay, and you know that about the sister chromatid and non-sister chromatid also, and also you know about the crossing over when we going through actually the meiosis 1, prophase 1, the different phase, the crossing over done, the pachytene stage, then zygote on there. That is not our headache. Just keep it come to there. I just tell you there is a two things. One is the father. Suppose chromosome, this is from father. Suppose in case of father, this is also from it is also getting father, it is also getting father, but from where? It is grandpa, paternal grandpa, and it is also paternal grandma. Two chromosome father got. One is, suppose I just make it in this way, two chromosomes. Suppose this one father got from his paternal grandpa, and this one father get from paternal grandma. Okay, these two chromosome, and these are the homologous chromosome. Okay, and what is this? These are the locus. You know that when I make you understand, inside the chromosome, look at here, 1 2 3 4 phase. Suppose 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. These 4 features inside the chromosome. Okay, these two is the father. One get from the paternal grandpa, one get from the paternal grandma, father. Okay, and one features, it can be more fats in the blood. Second one, curly hair. Third one, brown eye. Fourth one is agile. Okay, and similarly, which one get from father get from his mother, like the paternal grandma, that is less fat in blood, curly hair, bluish eye, calm. Similar, if we think now these two chromosome, homologous chromosome, these two homologous chromosome for mother. If we think about these two chromosomes from mother, mother get from his maternal grandpa this one, and maternal grandma this one, and 4 features likely that 1 2 3 4. Look at here, dear students, in our body all the things, suppose here mentioning the father and mother, but our body full of the chromosome of our parents, likely that the father or mother get that one, and many of the features can come out on that screen and on that parts. Okay, just think about generally these two from father and this from mother, from where they get paternal grandpa and grandma, maternal grandpa and grandma. Father got this one, mother got this one. So general concept about the stem or just idea, clue is given there. I think general idea you got. But if we go through the question with following the instruction, I have the question and instruction here. Yes, first one asking here, in which way? Look at here, very interesting. Now I think you now understood about that, and you cannot get directly match with that, sometime matching. Suppose when father get the feature from grandpa, paternal grandpa, so if he got that one, more fat in the blood, he got curly hair, he got brown eye, he is agile. Agile is very movable, is not calm down, is very likely that. Okay, so it is the paternal grandpa, when the features come from the paternal grandpa. Well, father can get also the paternal grandma features also, but when it would be the crossing over, on that time some features can be changed. Otherwise, if there is no crossing over, since the question is asking for here, if there is no crossing over, meiosis without crossing over, this is to round 1 and this is to be done for answer number A. just for blank your head. What I make you understand now, just follow me and I will make you easily that what is mentioning and what to do accordingly, just for going through that one. Okay, meiosis without crossing over. Answer number A, meiosis without crossing over. What the instruction given, I will tell you and accordingly. Without crossing over. It is a chart 1. Meiosis without crossing over. Okay, meiosis will be there but no crossing over. Our round 1 is given here. Round 1. Round 1. Okay, round 1. What is doing to here? 2 round is in case of this case. Round 1 and this one. Features from father. Features from father. Father and features from mother. Features from mother. There will be no crossing over. Listen. There will be no crossing over. It is the answer number A. Which way we will go through there? Round 1. There will be no crossing over. What the features from father and features from mother? In which way we will go through? Yes, this is the instruction. Now I will go through the instruction. Instruction is we will take a coin. We will take a coin. Since I have a coin, or you can take the piece of card. You can make sure the 16 card. It will also be possible to do that one. And if it is there, just a minute, I take a coin. I will make sure this one. It is interesting part. Okay, I take a coin. I think you see this one. This is a coin. Okay, what will we think about that? And head and tail. Head and tail. Which one is the head and tail? This is a clue also to understand about the coin. Which one is the head and which one is the tail? Someone think about, okay, I will take this one is the head and this one will be the tail. Okay, listen, what I will write, if everyone copy this one, so everyone's writing will be the same. Everyone's writing will be the same. So you just take the coin by your own self. What will be asking for, what will be going through, we will write accordingly, that way. Okay, it is not the matter what we think about, or anyone, if you don't touch the coin properly and then after write by own self, that is also be happened. Okay, why it is needed to do that one? Mute yourself. Anyone who join, please mute yourself. Okay, so very interesting, very interesting. I take a coin. Okay, follow me. I just give you whatever I have given you here, a solution. Don't copyright. Yes, now you can, as a rough, you can collect the answer, likely that. But when you will complete your assignment, do thyself. Thyself means, since individuality to needed something individuality. Monish sir give the solution here, and all the students having here same copyright. No, listen. Okay, this is a, we think we will which one is called head and tail. I don't make you mind now. Look at it. This is head and this one is the tail. So further, in case just for brain up, very simply, this one is the, suppose the head we will think about, it will be the tail for father. This one is the head for mother, this one is the tail for mother. Head, tail. In case of father, in case of mother, head, tail. We think about. Now look at here, this one, this one, this one. Which way I will toss? Okay, I got it, and I can show you this one. Head. Round one. Features from father. Features from father. What we get? Head. What we got through head is this one. All the features of head. That means these all features gotten the father from his paternal grandpa. Very simple. So more fat in blood, you can write more fat in blood, this one. Then curly hair, then brown eye, then agile, all the features. If it is features from father, if it is the tail, I can write likely that one, because both of them, both the features of father. But I toss. You will toss by yourself and do it in this way. Okay, so listen. Now features from mother. Mother will get this one or this one. We will know that if it is the head, we will write this one. If it is tail, we will write this one. Simple. Okay, I toss once again. Toss. I got, look at here, I don't make it look like tail. Okay, mother feature, tail in the round one, I got it. More fat in the blood, again more fat in the blood, more fat in the blood, in blood. Okay, then curly hair, then bluish eye. I just write short form since I told you, you can write properly. Then agile. So what the God, suppose this is the features, round one, features from father, features from mother, new offspring when it will be created, more fat in blood. That means he or she has chance to get more fat in the blood by genetically. Curly hair, both of them, but eye color is here brown eye, here bluish eye. Okay, so some eye color may be changed, but agile, both of them are very agile on that time. Round one complete. Not round one is for only the A number answer. Round two, both are counted as the question number A. Round one and round two. So in this way, round two will be go there. Same thing. Some student can ask me about that, sir. Round two. Okay, round two. Same thing. Features from father, I write short form. Features from mother, I write short form. Same, again you can toss. You can ask me, sir, if it is asking same thing again, head for father, again you can write this one. This is the instruction given here. Not everything that it is asking first one I will write. So if anyone without tossing write at first this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, so there will be thinking about that. They don't toss and just for matching up with that. No need. I will do toss for round two once again. We will see again. Okay, toss. Head, once again the head. Look at here. Head, whatever. Head, again features from father, head, all features of head you will write once again here. This is to do in the assignment. This is to do, okay? More fat in blood, then again curly here, then again brown eye, then again as eye. It is no matter what you got, the same thing once again, since it is instructed to give it the tossing to make sure that one. I think you understood that. Same thing, okay, features from mother, which one will be asking for? Yes, we can go through that one. Now again, this one is the head, once again head. Now the mother's feature from mother, since these two, now it is asking for this one. Less fat in blood, then straight hair, then bluish eye. Which one to be asking? You must be likely to write that one. Question number 1, answer number A is completed. Now is it looking very tough? Can you respond, some of my students? Response. You understood the A number, which way we will complete that one accordingly? Since you were joining in the class, I think you 14 students though yet. Okay, very good to see. You understood how we can find out the A number question? Response. Shaijul, you understand? You understood there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Response Samo. So it is very simple, though it look like when we see the stem is very hard. Now it is not so hard. Very simple. Okay, now question number B. Now this time it is the challenge. It is the challenge. Look at here, the instruction. I don't go through the full instruction, but what I tell, which way, I think you will get this point. Now meiosis with crossing over. Now this is the crossing over. Meiosis with crossing over. This would be the round 3 and round 4. What is the instruction for here? Question number B. Answer number B. Round 3 and round 4. It is needed to have the crossing over. Yes, crossing over. So the instruction, look at here. You can when I will make it translation for you today, you will get the proper knowledge about that. Here mentioning in the question, if it is the crossing over, then one homologous chromosome to the gamete, and which way we can 2 times PM, PP and PM crossing over. It was not crossing over, so that we can easily directly write in this way, but now we need to ensure the crossing over. So what should we do now? Yes, we should do one thing here given. Make sure the crossing over in between them, crossing over the features. Suppose in case of the father, in case of the mother, no headache about that. I will just tell you the simple things accordingly. 2 times the coin to be tossed for crossing over. Yes, crossing over. If 2 times, if it is the head, 1 to be crossing over. Look at here, there is some instruction is given in your stem here. Suppose I toss 2 times, I see 1 times head, I see 2nd times head. Suppose if 2 times head, then crossing over to be 1, number 1 to 1. This one is the 1 and 1. If 2 times head, not for 2 times head. If it is not 2 times head, then yes, also be given here 1 head 1 tail. If it is, suppose you toss by your own self, you will do your own self. I toss. Suppose it is tail, it is head and tail. 1 time head, I tell you, if 2 time head, crossing over to this 1 number feature. 1 time head, 1 time tail. If it is there, crossing over to the 2nd one. First tail, then head. If it is there, so 3rd number it will be on there. 2 times tail. If it is 2 times tail, if you after getting just crossing over with these two. Crossing over which way it will be happened, I tell you, I repeat once again, if 2 times head, crossing over will be in there. How crossing over will be there? Sir will solve you. One first time head, then tail, first time tail, then head, likely that. So in this way the crossing over can be done on there. Okay, so which way we will go through? 2 times toss for having the crossing over. Okay, your line is cut in case of the zoom, so I send it this one also once again in the Facebook group. Very interesting. The assignment is, I think you got the answer. When I will make it translate on that time, it will be very easily to getable, and I just give you the sample answer from here. So what is the conditional part in there? No matter what. Okay, just a minute, I just send the link of Zoom also here, just a couple of seconds. Yes, who are in the live? Okay, very good, in the live, joining in there. And also I send another link, please click on there for having the Zoom connection also, whatever who you choose to like on there. Okay, because we are in the second question. Okay, look at here now. So what I tell, 2 times if it is the head, crossing over will be in there. I will do for you here. I will do for you in front of you how and which way we will go through the crossing over here. Okay, dear students, look at here now. It is the time. So 4 condition I tell you. There is an instruction in the assignment is given here. That is, if 2 time head, 2 time toss, 2 time head crossing over here, first head then tail, first tail then head, they are crossing over, 2 tail, they are crossing over. In case of father, round 3, features from father, directly not to be written here. These are the blank box. This will not be in there accordingly. This will not be. Now with crossing over we will go through understand about that. Yes, in front of you, do believe me, I will toss for you. Okay, I toss this one, I take it for you. Tail, first tail, I need to toss second times, 2 times to toss for second one. Again tail. So crossing over for 4th number position, 2 tail. These features come to crossing over means you know that whatever we have done accordingly, this one crossing over, if we think about, suppose A, B, C, D, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. If it is likely to have, so simple. Okay, A, B, C, D, I just make it the crossing over that times. Suppose this part to be crossing over, it is the A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So here if it is this part to crossing over, A prime will come out in there. After having that one, just a minute. After crossing over, this A prime, since it will be okay, B, C, D, it is okay, B, C, D, but A prime come from there to there, and A is going on there. So A, B prime, C prime, D prime. That means this one to there, this one to there. When I make you understand in case of the crossing over in the chapter cell division, so I think you got that one. Suppose these are the locus and gene sequence, code sequence are in there, and A, B, C, D, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. But if the crossing over in there, A prime come here, A go there, A prime come here, go there. Just other all sequence will be same since if it is there. Just for having an example here. Likely that come will be go there. Since we toss and got the result, I tell you, come will be in here, and acyl come to there. Acyl come to there. 2 time we make sure the toss of 2 time. Listen the instruction. Look at here. Here given tail 2 times, we will make sure the crossing over. So 2 times we complete this one. Now it is the time from further. It is the time from further. Since it is the crossing over is done in there, so it is the time of once again features from further after crossing over. Since the crossing over is going on there, crossing over, okay. Now toss. It is the head. Once again it is the head. So all the features from further, these all will come to here. More fat, here, brown eye, come. Likely that after crossing over, since the crossing over done, that was not similar of the previous one, round 1, because in the round 1 there was no crossing over directly features, but after crossing over we got that features. You understand? Very interesting. Is it very interesting? Yeah. Then features from mother. 2 time we will crossing over. At first we need to crossing over. Which one to features to crossing over from here to there? Okay, 2 times. 1 head, then tail. 1 head, then tail. So second feature will be features from mother. Second features will be crossing over here. That means these features curly here will go there and crossing over. Since the crossing over, curly here in there and straight here is come to there. Curly here in there, crossing over done. Now it is the toss. Which features come from mother? Okay, toss. Head. So this is the features of head. So we will write all the features. But that is not the similar thing what we got in round 1 and 2, because there was no crossing over. What the directly features from grandparents to mother, maternal grandpa to mother, paternal grandpa to father. Which way? That was no crossing over. Directly all the features. But now it is the crossing over and all the features come from likely that. Same things. Less fat. Then curly hair. Okay. Then bluish eye. Then come. Likely that was not the features, because when we got in the round 1, that times it was the straight here, but here crossing over is done, the curly here. Same thing, round 4, same thing for making the crossing over. Okay, once again we will do toss for once again. Listen, there are lots of chance to getting. You toss or not, I see. I don't see this one. You show up any card or making sure interchange for making crossing over. Can I see? No. Anyone see? No. By your own self you can do. But main theme to understand. Student don't know the main theme, which way to do. Whatever, if you change the bluish eye with bluish eye, or you can change with the brown eye with the bluish eye. If you change, if you change, dear student, I tell you, if you change this one, I cannot see that. Yes, you can tell me, sir, I toss, it is tail and head, so I make it this one. This is also correct, but needed to input by tossing so that it will be better for you, for not matching with other students. Whatever I have done, all the student copy me, here, copy me, and all the students same ratings. So if all the students tell me that, sir, we toss all the same, is it believable? It is not believable. Believable not, because when you will toss, there is something to different come asking from the student. So in this way we'll do for you. Same the round 4, same thing. At first toss 2 times, toss 1 times, suppose the head, another times toss for crossing over, it is the tail. So head and tail in case of the father, since the father, curly here, so no change. This is okay, fine. So now it will be tossed from which one? If it is not going on there, sorry, the coin, tossing coin is just falling down. Okay, look at here, very interesting. It is very, very interesting. Look at here, I toss once again this one, tail, once again this one, tail. If it is the tail and tail, these two features, once again means the paternal features, what we got in the calm, this will come to here and this will go to there. Already we change. Crossing over means what the meaning? The conditional, the main condition to say here, want to change from here to there, since these two features for father, these two features for mother, they got from their ancestor, likely the paternal grandpa, paternal grandma, here maternal grandpa, maternal grandma. So second one, I told you the curly here and curly here, no change. Now I take tail, so all the features from father, less, this is the less, fat in blood, then curly here, then bluish eye, and then azile. What we got in there? Likely that. Very interesting. And in case of mother, if we once again 2 time toss 1, tail, once again tail, phone number features to change. That means come will come there, crossing over, azile in here and come in there. Just for example, by your own self you will do it. Otherwise it will be the similar for all of you, that sir give a solution, so all of you get that one. So what we get in there? Now it is the time to toss 1 times which features? Tail. I tell you, this is the head for mother, this is the tail for mother. So tail feature is common there. More fat in blood, you will write in there, more fat in blood, then straight here, okay, then bluish eye, and then come. It is interesting, very interesting and very simple. But when you will do it by your own self, so value will be something to change, value to be changed on that time. If you don't do, just copy me, it is to be copied. I just give you a solution properly, and which way to do, which way to find out the solution of the assignment for answer number A, meiosis without crossing over and meiosis with crossing over. The 2 answer is gone there. And third one is asking for, what is the third one? Third one to be asking for also here. Okay, the crossing over, if there is crossing over, is if it is happened or not happened, is there any difference in the gene sequence, what will we write? C number answer. Okay, look at here. I tell you in detail answer of A and B. Now it is asking for third one, that you will write the answer of C within the word giving here, 50 to 70 word. 50 to 70 word. If the crossing over happened, there is any change in the genetic sequence or gene sequence? Is there any change? Yes, I just give you some clue to write about that one also. Very interesting, this one also. Okay, now look at here. I think, okay, I will go through the third number one. Third number is very simple. Since we already done the crossing over, they told crossing over yet or not, is there any change in the gene sequence or genetic sequence? Very simple to write. I will give you some idea. Yes, of course we got, when the father normally get from the paternal grandpa some features, father directly can get some features from paternal grandma, mother can directly get some features from maternal grandpa, mother directly gets some features from maternal grandma. But when crossing over done, the features to be changed, and we know that the Pachytene stage in the meiosis 1 prophase 1, the crossing over is done there. So some features to be changed, genetic sequence change. I tell you the genetic, it was the A, B, C, D, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, but when crossing over is in there, so A prime come here, A go there. Gene sequence to be changed, must be changed, of course be changed, so that we see that change, so that we see what the paternal father directly get from paternal grandma, all the features and one of the agile, but after crossing over all the features from paternal grandpa, but one crossing over is going on there, so that he is not agile now, calm. Okay, very interesting. I think you understood this one. Last answer means some clue of the answer. I will just give you there. They are asking for any sequence to be changed or not accordingly. Okay, you can write after crossing over. C number answer. After crossing over, it is asking for 50 to 70 word, more than, not actually more than 50 to 70, in between the 50 to 70 words. After crossing over, we see the features. We see the features of father, from paternal grandpa. What we see? Look at here, the nature turns to come, which was agile in before. Is it? Am I right? What the features it was in before agile now turns to the come, the genetic sequence to be changed. This way it is, I write for one features, you can write what the features we can got accordingly, the brown eye or bluish eye, or we can see the curly hair in case of mother. This is the another features, it can be on there. This way you will write that yes, after crossing over, in case of the maternal grandpa, in case of the mother, for maternal grandpa and grandma, the curly hair and straight hair to change in their genetic sequence. What the sequence after tossing we got, you will write this way, just for within 50 to 70 words. And that is all about the biology first paper assignment. Have you feeling difficulties now? You understand the biology first paper assignment? What should we do? Mubashira Abtahi. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then Humaira Adiba. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then Saif Rahman. You understood? Very good. Very interesting. By the way, the video is also be there properly, so you can better, if you don't understand, watch out, check out and complete it this one. And you wanted to get the English translation, though I gave it here, I will make you writing today. Within today I give you the which way to do for that one. Okay, I hope you follow my instruction with tossing the coin, which way we can make sure the answer is very easy. Hope so all of you understood. Since the pandemic situation, stay at home and do your best and stay safe, stay sound. That's all about today. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, can we use blue pen in our answer paper?
I better to suggest if you use blue pen it can be possible, but I better to suggest to you black pen to use, or headline topics you can use the blue pen. Headline topics, some headline topics, okay? No other yes, better black pen. If it is not black pen, then yes, of course black pen. Headline topics to be blue pen. No other pen, no other color will be used in here. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.